Okay guys, this is Papa Harry today. I'll do a prank today with Mama Joan. For all of the prank that she bring off upon me and Viagra and pregnant at 61 and have boyfriend with me. So, I'm going to get back to her today now. Just for sure say, I know she alone can do prank. I'm going to give her some of her medicine. So, I'm going to try my best to make it as epic as possible and, you know, make everything nice and everything joyful. And this is it, my guys. So, this prank I know is pranking Mama Joan. Say, me lose her cat because everybody know Mama Joan love her Milo. Today, Mama Joan is at the grocery store and I decide, say, I go and ask one of my son them for help me with the setting up and everything. And I go and prank Mama Joan today saying, say, when she go to the grocery store, she leave the door open. And Milo run out and it's all her fault because as she leave the door open, that not nothing to do with me. So that is the prank me I go bring off upon her today. Everybody knows, say, Mama Joan love her Milo like our youngest son. I don't know how she love her son, then so you can imagine how she love Milo. So guys, today I'm going to try my best for please the whole I want know. To make she know say, I know she alone can do this thing. So right now guys, I'm gonna hide Milo in the basement and I'm going to set up the camera them and everything. And when I finish with that now, and she come through the door, I want to see fair expression when she come through the door, when me tell her, say, Milo run away. And it's that for me today. So you guys comment, Team Papa Harry, and make we have some fun today. So, we're going to deal with it.
One hour later.
Why is the door open?
What door?
The front door.
I don't know, I never opened the front door.
You never open the front door?
It's about to go down.
So Harry,
Yeah?
from me leave here, the door open. So always the door open. You can't have the door open like that. Suppose somebody just run come in here. You know you have to keep the door locked. You
Yeah, but
can't have the door.
I never open the door, Joan. I don't go to the door from your leave.
So the door open. Where you want to say from the whole time we leave here, the door open?
I guess because I don't go to the door. From you leave, I am sitting in here watching the TV. So, I don't know. I never open the door.
That's not so
I never
good.
even go to the door, Joan. I don't
When
understand.
the door open like that, you know Milo will get out. You see Milo from you leave here. You see Milo?
You know, I never really notice it because I never really see him still now because through me thinking about the place, but I never look, I never notice it.
So from me left you gone, you don't see Milo none at all. And the door open the whole time?
Well, I guess when you leave, because as I said, I don't go to the door. So if anybody leave the door open, it had to be you. So whenever you leave a while ago, that's when the
No,
door...
sir, then we need to go look for Milo because
So-
if you don't see Milo from me leave here, that means him get out.
No,
So we
but-
need to go find Milo.
Yeah, but I
We
don't
need to
understand
go,
that,
we need
Joan.
to find Milo.
Yeah, but
We need to find Milo.
Yeah, but when Milo, I don't know. So,
Let me look in another room here. You try to look downstairs, safe him down there.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, because we can't believe so the door open the whole time. The whole time we leave your Milo, the door open. So when Milo there, and you know Milo are going to get out. You know I'm going to come out of the place. I'll do that quick here. I'll stop this shit. Oh my God, I can't believe Milo is not in here. I cannot believe it. Milo? Oh shit. Where the hell could Milo be?
Joan?
I don't see Milo. I mean, they're nowhere up here, Ari.
I've been looking at the basement too, but I don't see him, so I don't know.
So where could Milo be though? Like, we can't believe Milo gone. Anyway, I have to go look outside. We can't believe Milo gone outside.
I can't believe you got through the door and leave it open because you know how Milo stay. And the cure me talk, it's like you know, listen, he's too irresponsible. You know, me that a man will love cat, because he's a dog man. But me get full of Milo like, just like how me love the dog then. I know you tell me say, me get close to Milo like one of my kids then.
But me can't believe me left the door open and Milo get out. But me have a look outside.
Believe it on him because of that you do.
Outside is not good for you.
I don't care if people talk to you and tell you. Me tell you, when you're going out, drop the door good, make sure it lock because if you don't lock it, you know, Milo will go through and now you don't listen to what man say. You see me, that me can't take with you, you know.
One hour later.
Boy, lose Milo, God. You don't know me, I manage without him. Right? Boy, God, do. Let me make sure I find back my Milo. Yes, honey. We need to find me Milo.
So cool.
You can imagine Milo how cool it is, my girl.
We see some footprint, but we don't know if a Milo footprint or the squirrel footprint, but
no, sir.
We can't believe Milo would have come out here and gone outside
no,
in
sir.
so
And
much
if you left
cold.
the door open, Joan, what you expecting for you think Milo gonna know say, oh, the door open, I go outside. Why do I don't know all the while me keep
I know when I leave here I close the door. I could have swear to God I close the door. I know I never leave the door open.
The door would closed. If you leave the door, if you close the door, my girl, I don't know how me gonna live here now. How me gonna live without Milo here now?
Okay, you just blame me for losing Milo. Now we have to go find a way how to find him back. We have to go get some flyers and there's a 1-800 number we can call. So we can go to Staples, get some paper and make some flyers and put them out and go see if we can find Milo. And you can't just keep blaming me like that.
Then I want me to blame. I mean left the door open. Now you left the door open. You're going like say you want to blame me. Or you're going to blame me for you left the door open, Joan.
Oh God.
Right now, I not even know what to say. I not even know what to do. I don't know what to do, Joan. Because Milo, me love Milo so much. More time I think I love him more.
I swear I closed the door. I never leave the door open, Harry. I didn't leave the door open, so I don't know how the door open.
Well,
you understand me, son?
Now I help Milo, you know who leave the door open from who never leave it open, you know, because Milo gone. That way I talk about Milo no there. You let him out and you let him out. Because I don't go at the door. And you let out Milo. So I don't know where you come go like you want to pine pan me. Or you for pine pan me?
Well, you're not giving. Well, you need to give me some solution. solution. Like, how we gonna find Milo now? That's what we are talking about. How are we gonna find Milo now?
Well,
How are we gonna find Milo? We have to just call the 800, yes, and then we're gonna print some flyer
and we take it from there, so.
Yes,
I
so
say it work
that's the way we
out.
have to
You need
do.
to find back my Milo, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. You need to find back my Milo.
God, I can't believe this happened to me again.
Oh,
I
so.
can't believe this
Because
happened
you don't
again.
listen to one. You don't. You're irresponsible. Me appear to God say, do God, make her get to learn some responsibility.
I am responsible.
And you lose Milo.
After I...
That is responsibility.
You
You're responsible by losing Milo.
Oh my gosh.
That you tell me? Whatever. Well, honey, me under stress. I don't know me how to deal with it. Because I don't know if I can live without Milo right, you know?
You sure say I'm not in the house somewhere?
So I'm looking at the basement, you say you look upstairs.
We look
Me
all
looking at the
upstairs.
basement for how long, me not see Milo. You know what? Let me go back down there, go look if me see him again because me no know. Let me go look one more time. When treat them there?
You treat nothing like... Oh my God. You can't believe, say, Milo gone again. No, sir. This is not real. This cannot be real. This cannot be real at all, at all.
I'll give you some treat.
What the fuck?
What fuck? What you talking about? You know which spot me go find Milo? Milo? Oh, honey, me about to try that one to find you. Because all of them...
How the fuck could you do this to me?
You fuck me up with Chris. You come back out you're pregnant at 61 and you give me Viagra to eat. Well, me and you know, see me I do you alone. Milo this guy, you know, true me know you love Milo. Hit that. Milo time. It's alright, me. That's why me have to love you so, you know, Milo. Because you works with me. Why you make me love you so? Milo. Now you want to say I face Milo. Milo. Boy. Boy.
You can't do that, Ari.
What? What
You can't do that,
You guys
Ghana.
never just do it. My God, look for all of the prank them when you prank me.
Yeah,
And you
but
want to say me can't prank you?
this is different. This is like you lose. This is like I'm losing my kid.
They're not the real thing, that man. We don't want a little imitation prank by you. No, with them the prank the way you prank me want to give a wicked prank where all your head hurt and you feel the whole of the ear them stuck in your head. And that me
It's
want.
okay.
Then it's almost okay when you want it.
It's alright.
Oh, you mean? Milo,
alright.
eat your treat, you my grandson. Lord. Honey, whoa, you need to say, jump up. How it feel?
It's okay. It's alright.
Well,
It's
that I know
alright.
is just...
But we can't believe you use Milo though. Of all the person, Milo, Ari, you know how me love Milo. You know once
Yeah,
Milo
that's why me
is
use
not
Milo,
around, that
Joan.
is very...
That's why I use Milo, because I know you love him so much.
It's okay.
Okay, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Because, you know, me I try to get Mama Joan into our program. So, yes. So, what I want you guys to do, I want you to press that like button, do the notification, and most of all, do not subscribe.
So, Ari,
Yes, mommy.
why would you do that to me? You know how me love Milo. You know how Milo is just like one of my children.
That is why.
One of my kids. So how could you do that with Milo?
Exactly.
How could you use Milo to prank me like that? You
Ask
couldn't
the
find
question.
nothing else?
Honey, you ask the question and you answer it yourself. Because you love him so much and everything. I've decided, say, you know what? That should be the real prank for her because we know she love her Milo.
You know what? It's okay. It's
Have to be
alright
okay,
because
honey.
as you guys know, he pranked me with Milo, but it's okay. We're not even gonna say another word. Okay, guys? So,
Okay.
guys, as him said, him wanting to like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification belly thing there. You understand me? And guys, give him 10k likes on this video. Although I am mad at hell with him if he do that to me with Milo.